This vehicle is a Dethleffs 7152 DBN, which this is an integrated version. You can also get it, as you can see from the sign, in a semi-integrated version. It's quite a luxurious vehicle, and it costs nearly 110,000 euros. You can see there the dimensions: 298 centimeters high. Door is 70 centimeters. The doors are getting wider, which is the reflection of how people are also getting wider, and a standing height inside of 203 centimeters. And another little dimension I ought to point out is not really so little, it's 760 centimeters long and 233 centimeters wide. It's got almost 1 ton of payload put on a 4,250 kilo basis, and as you can see, it's on a Fiat Ducato chassis, as you might have gathered from the width. Above the driving position we have a bed which is operated by this control up here, should you be so require it. Now, this is a vehicle which is winterproofed, so you can use it all the year round. Not all of Dethleffs vehicles are winterproof. You may have seen me go out in a Dethleffs vehicle in March of this year. Now, that wasn't a winterproof vehicle, but it cost half of what this one actually costs. This is quite a luxurious version, as you can probably tell from the position I'm in right now. Let's walk towards the back, where you've got a low queen bed that will be suitable, I believe, for older people who may have some difficulty getting up into bed. As we come back over here, we have the space for the garage, and we've got a bit of hanging space on either side of the bed. The shower's got one of these sliding doors, which I'm so keen on. And you've got to see it in action. And shower is in there. It's a wide shower, so it'll get a nice bit of force on you as you're in the shower. The problem is, of course, it's a camper van, a motorhome. You can't really use too much water. It's not like being at home, because you have to fill it up immediately. And there's a bit of heating for the shower as well. Now, toilet door, other side, comes across like that, closes this part of the bedroom off, or this part of the van off, and got the toilet in there, sink, mirrors with storage behind the mirrors. So you can push that, and there you can keep some soaps or deodorants and this type of thing. I always notice when I'm in the show vans, they all seem to be much tidier than mine. Mine never seem to look like that once I've been in it for about a few minutes. Kitchen, as we can see, is sloped rather ergonomically, in my opinion. Standard 3-ring burner, and beside it we have a sink, and something which I hope nobody's here is eating. It's just this sort of stuff to do spaghetti Napoli with. I don't know if that comes with the van, but I would actually encourage you to actually make it yourself rather than use this type of stuff. Anyway, that's just my opinion there on food, but if you want to see some ideas on nutrition, you'll need to go to my suitable videos on that. Okay, and we've got the aircon in here, built into the roof. It's a good roof's probably the best place for air conditioning. I'm going to be putting my air conditioning is going to be down where that seat is in my van, but we'll come on to that film at a different time, should you so desire to see it. Now, let's have a look at the amount of space. I was sitting down here earlier when I was talking, but as I walk down to the van and I sit down in the passenger seat, the bed above me will mean I have to crouch as I get in and out of it. Just taking a little bit of headroom, not a little bit, but quite a bit of headroom away. One feature which is definitely worth pointing out is the skylight there. Look at this huge skylight. This is something which is getting increasingly popular. Everybody's sort of doing it these days. That's great. It lets the light really flood in. You can't appreciate it in here because we're in a building and it's possibly even getting dark outside. It's so late. But if you're outside, you really would feel the difference. It's outstanding. I think many people really like part of living in the van is the contact with nature, and part of that contact is light, natural light. That's just my opinion. You might think differently. Now, as we're leaving, we can see the controls, the electric, the water, the time, and up there you can set the heating, should you so desire. As I said, it's 110,000, fair whack of cash, but it's a nice van, isn't it? And I think the semi-integrated version will be considerably cheaper.